Hi, everybody. Welcome to Faces in the Field. My name's Adam Darengowski. I work with the communications team here at Miller Pipeline. Faces in the Field is, of course, where we highlight the efforts of one of our teammates making it happen out on the job site. Today, that teammate is Elmer Moore. He is a foreman out of Louisiana. Elmer, welcome to Faces in the Field.
I appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Well, Elmer, let's just start at your beginning in this industry. What got you going in natural gas construction or utility construction? And how did you find your way to Miller Pipeline?
I started uh on the transmission side. Man, I like just working outside. And then I wanted to get closer to home, and I had some friends working with the company, and I got on, and man, it's just been a good experience for me.
Yeah. How long have you been at Miller now?
I've been back now about 10 years.
Wow.
You know,
How's that feel to be 10 years in?
um, it's been long, man, but hey, look, it's good. It's good. I get to travel a lot, get to see different places, so it's all right.
How much do you enjoy the opportunity? I know obviously not every interaction with the public is great, right? But how much do you enjoy that aspect of getting the opportunity to kind of provide some customer service for people in residential areas?
Well, mostly once, you talk to someone, you let them know you're doing what you're doing, you're upgrading the system. Man, they proud of it. It's because a lot of the systems pretty old. And so once they find out they're getting an upgrade, hey, they pretty cool with it.
Now that you've also been doing it, in this side for 10 years, what are some of your favorite parts of the job? What do you enjoy the most?
Well, right now I'm working leaks, and I really enjoy that because I get to deal with the steel side, and you get to I get to tap.
Mm.
And it's always something different. It's never the same thing every day. It's always something different, different size pipes. And when you got the guy, your crew, they get to see something different every day. It's never the same. It's if we're doing services, we'll do services. We're doing main, we're doing main, and it's always something different. So, it keeps you on your toes.
As a foreman, how do you kind of approach safety with your guys, and how do you make sure that you keep that at the forefront with them every day?
Well, we every morning we have a tailgate meeting. Every morning, we walk the job, let so we can see everything, especially if we're working in the roadways. We'll set up our traffic control, have our all our equipment on one side so everybody can get on the other lane and pass us up. And we just try to look out for each other because traffic is brutal out here in Louisiana. It's always moving, and we just try to look out for each other best we can.
Yeah. Uh, I know a lot of guys in the field kinda look to the foreman as the leader of the crew. How would you classify kinda your leadership style? How do you make sure that everyone feels, kind of included in that team aspect?
Well, I'm a, I try to be with my guys all the time. I'm always out there with them. I don't ask them to do anything that I wouldn't do. And so I'm kinda hands-on, I'm on their side all the time, so, that I think that builds character. It shows them, that is if I can do it and I'm the foreman, then, they don't mind doing it at all.
If let's say I had maybe an 18-year-old kid who's kinda like, "I don't wanna go to maybe college isn't for me," you know? How would you sell them on what you do, in terms of pursuing it as a career?
Well, just showing them that, you don't have to go to school, but you can build yourself up from the ground up just by your reputation, but just by coming to do your work, people trust you more. Once the man you start trusting the man, you can leave him on his own. And they love that. Once they see that you trust them, man, they'll come out and do anything you need them to do.
Yeah. Tough to find it's good to find teammates like that, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This job is not for everyone.
What's,
Man,
what, makes a good, member of your crew? What kinda qualities do you see in, like, the really good ones, those A players? What do you, look for?
well, first and foremost, I like all my equipment. I like it clean. Like my vans. We're not walking around everything. You have to step over everything. We got to show up on time because I feel like if I already talked to my FCC and told them I'm gonna be here to do this, do a certain job, I want to be there just like I told him. You shouldn't have to wait on me and all my crew. So we get there on time. That's one of the main things. And my guys, they come out first thing they do, they put the signs out, and locate everything. Uh, and overall, once I get through with my paperwork for the morning, and they come to me, tell me what we may need to do. So that's a good thing. That's a real good thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, we have a program here called What I Live For. It just reminds us to be safe, operate safely. So Elmer, what do you live for?
My family, my family. I come out here every day. I just want to do my job and leave with all fingers and toes like I came with. I come to make money just to support them. Um, I have a mom and dad, they're retired, and I go home on the weekend, I help them do stuff. And I do stuff around my house and just I'm simple, man. I'm a pretty simple guy. I just like that's just what I live for, man, my family.
Yeah. Well, I like to finish every face in the field with some rapid fire questions. So I'm just going to toss them at you and you just let me know what the first thing that comes to your mind is. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Favorite season to work in? Spring, summer, winter, fall?
Spring.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a little different down south.
Yes. Yes, man. Summer is real bad here. It's real humid. And my truck said like 108 on Monday. And it's just real bad in the summer. But once you make it past August, you pretty much got it.
Yeah. Favorite leisure activity? Are you fishing, hunting, golfing, or is there something else?
No, man, I like to use my ATVs, man. I like to ride around on my four-wheelers and just have fun with my friends on my ATVs.
Nice. Favorite fall activity? Is there anything specific you're looking to do this fall?
Not really, just I would really want to enjoy the cool weather.
That's good.
Yeah, just man, just barbecue with my family, man. That's about it. Once to get real cool.
I'll be waiting for my invite. That's okay. No. And then favorite core value, is it safety, quality, commitment, or reputation, and why?
Reputation. All right, and I say that because, like I said, I like to be a man of my word. And if something bad follows you, that's not good. I like for people to I let them know that I do good work. My crew does good work. We're gonna do the right thing, even if nobody's around. At all times we're gonna try to do the right thing, and we'll do it safe. And that your reputation, that's all a man has. You gotta, and it follows you everywhere you go.
Absolutely. Well, Elmer, thanks so much for coming on Facing the Field. I really appreciate it, man.
Hey, no problem at all.
All right. Well, he's Elmer Moore. If you want to join Elmer's crew and do some high-quality work, be sure to visit MillerPipelineCareers.com. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, anywhere you are, we probably are as well. You can stay up to date with everything that Miller Pipeline has to offer. This has been Facing the Field. We will see you next month.